Hi, my name is Grant Kramer, and I am a professor emeritus at the University of Nevada, Reno. This quiz is a multiple choice test. There are 5 possible answers. There's only one correct answer that satisfies the question. 1. ABA is a plant hormone that can A. Inhibit growth, B. Protect plants from water loss, C. Close stomates, D. All of the above, E. None of the above. 2. SNRP2 proteins are A. Positive regulators of ABA signaling, B. Negative regulators of ABA signaling, C. Have nothing to do with ABA signaling, D. All of the above, E. None of the above. 3. The precursor to ABA in plants is A. Zeaxanthin, B. Glucose, C. Malic acid, D. All of the above, E. None of the above. 4. The receptors for ethylene are located in the A. Plasma membrane, B. Endoplasmic reticulum membrane, C. Chloroplast membrane, D. All of the above, E. None of the above. 5. Gibberellin is antagonistic to ABA or abscisic acid during A. Stomatal closure, B. Lateral root development, C. Seed germination, D. All of the above, E. None of the above. In the next video, you will see the answers to this quiz. Have a great day.